right, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Boom. I already got my melody. Oh my god. So slow. Gross beat. Ah, shit. This is definitely taking up a lot of time. Yo. Flanging. Let's turn that up. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how much time. I'm too afraid to check the time. I'm way too afraid to check the time. How much time do we have? How much time do we have left? 3 minutes. Damn, we already made fire in 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. I'm already on the roll. The f is that? This is kind of ass. Ooh, ooh. How much time do we got left? Ooh, ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gang, gang. Ooh, gang, gang, gang. I just made a beat in less than 5 minutes. Yeah. Go check my this. Guys, I can't rap. I apologize. Damn. I'm getting a little cocky. Yo, I'm getting way too cocky right now. Ooh, ooh. This is actually hard, like. Ooh. Ooh. The mixing doesn't count. It can't count, right? Yo, I still have a whole minute left. I could still probably mix this. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, wait. Before we finish this. It has been... Alright, I got a minute and a half left. Where's the damn... Oh! Alright. Oh, that means more reverb. That needs way more reverb. Hold up. Way more reverb. What are you doing? Yeah, we need some more reverb on that. That's a little too much. It's a little loud. Ooh, how much time? 30 seconds. Well, let's just add reverb to the... Ooh. Guys, we still have time left. I have 5 seconds, bro. What are you saying? I'm too cocky. I'm too cocky with it. Somebody stop me, bruh. Look at that. For less than 5 minutes. Damn, that's hard. All right, you know what? That's it. Before my computer explodes, I'ma head off. But thank you guys for watching once again. It's been great. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Appreciate every single one of you. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.